Welcome to AB's Tech Lab. Today we are going to know all about the final keyword in Java. Final keyword is used to restrict further modification of elements. It can be used with variable, method, and class. If a variable is declared with the final keyword, its value cannot be changed once initialized. When final keyword is used with a parameter, argument, then the value of this variable cannot be changed anywhere in the function. For a final reference variable, you cannot change what object it refers to. However, you can modify the object itself. A method, declared with the final keyword, cannot be overridden or hidden by subclasses. A class declared as a final class cannot be extended.
Is the given code has used the final keyword correctly? It has an uninitialized final variable and constructor for the same.
Yes, the code will compile and run successfully. A final variable that is not initialized at the time of declaration is known as blank or an uninitialized final variable. These variables can be initialized at the time of object creation and may not be changed further.
Can we initialize a blank final variable?
Yes, the blank final variable can be initialized, but only in the constructor.
Can we make a local variable final? Can I create a blank final local variable?
Yes, we can make a local variable final in Java. The compiler won't give an error if we declare an unused local blank final variable, but the compiler will force to initialize that variable if it is used anywhere in code.
Can we have a static final blank variable?
Yes, we can have a static final variable that is not initialized at the time of declaration. It can be initialized only in a static block.
Can we make the constructor final?
No, you will get a compile time error if you declare the final constructor. Constructors are not inherited and cannot be overridden, so there is no use to have a final constructor.
Can we create an object of the final class?
Yes, it is possible to create an object for a final class. For example, string. It is the final class, thus we cannot extend it, but we can create its objects.
Can you add or remove elements from the final array list?
Yes, we can add or remove elements in the final array list. But we cannot make it null or assign a new array list to that final variable.
Can we declare an interface as final?
No, interface cannot be final. The sole purpose of interface is to have it implemented by the subclass. If we make it final, it cannot be implemented.
Is the final method inherited?
Yes, the final method is inherited, but you cannot override it.
Can a main method be declared final?
Yes, the main method can be declared as final.
Can we create a final abstract class or method?
No, we cannot make an abstract class or method final in Java because both abstract and final are both extremes. An abstract method must be overridden while the final method cannot be overridden. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with AB's Tech Lab for more. Let me know your feedback and questions in the comments. See you in the next video.